In a world of instant dopamine, endless scrolling, sugary snacks, artificial highs, movement offers something radical: sustained joy. That post-hike contentment that lingers for hours, the family runs, where the competition fuels connection instead of comparison. This is how our brains were designed to thrive, not on digital hits, but on real, embodied living. Our bike rides to local markets are exercise, yes, but they are also teamwork in meal planning and the shared pride of nourishing our family with food we can trace back to its source.